Hi, thanks for your interest in learning more about Evoke Technologies' Evoke Cloud dashboard. I'm going to walk you through some of its features and functionality very quickly here. So the system allows us to, on a per email basis, to set up accounts that have information that we can track and monitor your data separately from everyone else. And there are key applications that are available on the Evoke Cloud. The one we'll focus on today here is the SmartERG. The SmartERG, this is my account for dl@ocuscience.com, and here are all the previous emails I've done from everything I've done on testing as well as just any type of analysis. And right now I'm showing about over 300 ERGs in this folder. If I come in here and I pick one of these items in the list, I can see I can bring back an ERG. For the ambient retinal response, it's made up of 3 tests, a standard, a high intensity, and a flicker. And in this, we are able to actually look and have the A and B waves all positioned properly into the, so for conducting analysis on all 3 waveforms, you can see that the values for the A and B waves, implicit times, and amplitudes are specified over here based upon the locations of those markers. Now I'm also able to come in here and do various things such as do filtering of different types. Right now there's a 60 hertz notch filter that's applied, and then here is a long pass filter that's also applied to the data, so you can see it will remove and filter out a certain amount of information, as well as we have a moving average as another method to do averaging. All of which these can be affected by basically in our settings, we are able to set the type of notch filter, the type of low pass filter, as well as the moving average sizes and the levels of filtration. We can change those values here, and those become then the default for each one of those particular type of filter settings. We can also come in here and we are able to do things such as set the A wave position. And then I can come over here and I can reposition where is the A wave, and then save that information in here and do the same for my B wave if need be, and then change those values as well. And then save all that information after the fact and save. Now this information is updated. Now from all this we can come in and generate our reports, which will then create a PDF, which I will open up here real quickly and view for you. And this has the header information for the particular clinic or location, the information about the patient that we specify, the biosensor information, and then what protocol was run is that listed down here, which eye, and reasons for the testing, and the date and time of that. And then it goes through and shows the standard intensity flash, the A and B wave markers, as well as the overall data for that ERG. And then we do the same thing for the high intensity. And then last on the report is for the flickers.